Good morning, everybody. It is snowing its butt off. It's snowing for about 6 hours straight. There's about 8 inches up here on the mountain. It's pretty. Let's take a walk. I'm not the only one in the Arkansas area, or actually about 3-4 states now, I believe, that are covered in a blanket of snow. I'm out scouting around. Had the kitchen sink freeze up, but that's the only thing so far. The kitchen sink drain. I'm actually out to get some ice melt out of the shed. But yeah, it's awesome, everybody. I haven't seen a snow like this in about 10 years. 2009, I think is what my Facebook memory said. We got 12 inches. It didn't last but for 2 days. It's going to be here for a couple weeks, looks like. We've got 2 or 3 more storms coming too. The deer feeder back there. Right there. And the turkey blind is all covered up. That's what them turkeys do. And it's like this, they won't go in the trees. They go in these brush piles. Anyways, hope everybody has a great week. It's just awesome here. Stay warm and stay safe. And please like, share, and subscribe, everybody. Yeti loves you. Peace out.